Hi, in this video we'll learn how to make brick wall texture in Blender. Let's start. Delete the cube. Go to Add menu. From Mesh, add a plane. Go to Render. Change the render engine to Cycles. Change the feature set to Experimental. These settings is very important. Go to Add Modifier. From Generate, add Subdivision Surface Modifier. Set it to Simple. Activate the Adaptive Subdivision. Change Dicing Scale to 0.3. Change the Viewport Shading to Rendered. Go to Shading Workspace. Add new material. Press F3 and search for brick texture. Connect color to surface. Press F3 and search for displacement. Connect displacement to displacement. Connect color to height. And connect BSDF to surface. Go to Material. Go down to Settings. Under Surface, change the displacement to displacement only. Change the displacement value to 0.1. And in Brick Texture, change the bias value to -0.6. Move the brick texture to the back and connect its color to base color. Press F3 and search for color ramp. Change the right color to red. Add new color and change it to red dark. Add new color and decrease its saturation value to 0.12. Change the color roughness to 0.75. Press F3 and search for noise texture. Again, press F3 and search for bump. Connect FAC to height. And connect normal to normal. Increase the noise texture scale value to 25 and detail value to 6. Change the bump strength value to 0.5. Press F3 and search for texture coordinate. Connect vector to vector and vector to vector. You can use the UV texture coordinate to adjust the texture to an object. Go to Layout Workspace. Change the mode to Edit mode. To add another wall, select these two vertices. Press E then Z to extrude in Z direction. Press E then X to extrude in X direction. We have a problem here in the texture. And to solve this, go to UV Editing Workspace. Press a then U. Select Unwrap. And at UV Editing Workspace, adjust the texture on the planes. Adjust the light.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.